Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the cabin on this beautiful day, December the 8th. A little on the cool side. Current temperature is about 10 degrees. And as you can see, lots of white stuff still on the ground. So right now, I'm putting my money on a white Christmas, which is okay by me. Forecast, looking ahead, nothing crazy coming, cold and sunny. So yeah, we're only a couple weeks out from Christmas, so it looks like it's going to be a white one. And you know, today I got some things I got to get done here. Going to put the tractor to work again. One thing I got to do, last week it was kind of a little bit on the warm side. It just went above freezing, and I got just over a mile of road coming in here to the cabin. And what happened was when you drive on it, when it got soft, like it was kind of hard and icy, but it got what I call slush ruts. Not into the actual gravel, but just the ice that got soft, the slush, and it rutted up really bad, if you know what I'm talking about. And that made the road really, really rough. And also on the road, anywhere where it's not rutted up, the ice is just super smooth like glass. It's very, very slippery. Matter of fact, yesterday I was on it in my truck, and good thing I wasn't going very fast, because all of a sudden my truck just went sideways and started sliding. So like I said, I wasn't going too fast, so I was kind of lucky. But yeah, I got to fix that up. So here's what we're going to do. This is the front bucket on the tractor, and I have a cutting edge on it, so I'm just going to keep the bucket at an angle, about like that, and I'm going to put the loader in float, and I'm just going to push that right down the road. And then, of course, over here on the rear, I have my rear blade, and it's angled, and what that'll do is it'll help cut off any more of the ruts, the slush ruts, and it'll fill them in. And between the two of them, what they'll do is they'll rough up that ice, so it won't be so smooth. I mean, it'll still be a little slippery, but not as bad as it is right now. Anyway, I do this every year down here. It's just the way it is. Yep, every year this has got to be done down here, usually in the late fall or in the spring, when you have that kind of weather where it kind of goes above freezing and then below freezing, and the road gets quite slushy and rutted up. So yeah, I'll fix it. The only difference is this year, of course, will be my ice chains. Now this isn't a real test for them, of course. I mean, it's not like I gotta move any amount of snow or anything, but I think it's gonna be a lot better on that really icy road having these chains on. I think I'm going to see a big difference. So looking forward to trying these out again. Okay, let's get it done. This is what I mean by the slush ruts. You can see this one, it's quite bad. It's about that's about 4 inches deep. It's deep, and the road is really rough. And you can see in behind here how it fills them in. It's much better. And you can see how the road is a lot better with just one pass. And it's a lot rougher. It's not as slippery. Whereas if I just go over here to where I haven't done this side, and if I go over here to this side where I haven't done yet, it's whoa, it's noticeably much more slippery. All right, almost done, guys. Just about back up to the cabin. I'm on the last leg. You can see the last half mile is all uphill, and so I just had to stop for a second and sing the praises of these chains. Honestly, in the years gone by, I would have had to do this in four-wheel drive, no question about it. And you got to be a lot more careful when you're on a lot of slippery ice and stuff. But these chains are just amazing. I mean, I'm going uphill on a good incline, pushing with the bucket and pulling with the blade, and I'm in two-wheel drive. Yeah, these chains are awesome. Awesome. Best money I ever spent. Anyways, let's get back up to the cabin. Done. And I'm very, very impressed with these chains. You know, these just have amazing traction. I can't believe I did that road uphill on ice in two-wheel drive. Yeah, I never would have done that before. It would have had to have been four-wheel drive. Those are amazing. Anyway, that had to be done because if you have a snowblower and you're going to snowblow that road, you can't have those ruts like that, you know, going like this, because the snowblower will just ride up on them, and it does a terrible job. So they had to be smoothed out, and you know, if it warms up and the same thing happens, I'll have to do that again. But if it doesn't and it snows 2 or 3 feet, then I'm ready. Okay, next task. Actually, before I do anything else, it's coffee time. Time for a coffee break. And warm up a little bit. It was just a little bit colder on the tractor than I thought it was going to be. And I'm also going to have a little treat. Somebody was nice enough to bake me some homemade goodies. So if you're watching, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I'm going to enjoy those. Well, I'm all fueled up, got my coffee into me, a few of those sweets. Energy levels are high again, so I'm going to get some more chores done today. Right now I'm just trying to get some of this cedar split up for kindling. Then I got to get some firewood in before dark and do a bunch of other little chores. It's getting dark. It gets dark early now. It'll be dark definitely by 4, but it's about 3:45. You can't really do much, so really short days. And then of course in 2 weeks, on December 21st, shortest day of the year, it'll be dark shortly after 3. So really short days. You gotta make the best of it and get everything done when you can. And then of course it starts going the other way. So anyway, I'll end the video there, guys. I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me today. If you're new, please subscribe. If you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate all the support. And please leave me some comments below. I love reading those comments, guys. Keep them coming. And until next time, you guys take care. And we'll see you soon back here at the cabin.